Welcome. In just a few simple steps, we'll show you how to assemble and use your display system with ease. Before you begin, check inside the box to ensure you have all the components you need for assembly. Firstly, take the matter panel from your kit. Then, using the thumb screws provided, align the holes on the metal panel with the holes on the core board. Once aligned, simply tighten the thumb screws to secure the panel in place. Firstly, locate the two branded prints inside your kit. You will see that there is a Heineken print and a Savannah print. These two prints have to be together all the time. Just put one underneath the other. Now, align the holes on the prints with the corresponding holes on the core board. Then, use the thumb screws to secure the prints, ensuring that they are properly tightened. Caution: the Digi8 is designed to last up to 3 years, so it's important to handle it with care. Do not attempt to remove the entire Digi8 at once. Please avoid pulling the clips forcefully to prevent damage. In order to safely remove the Digi8 front face, release one clip at a time by squeezing the front face and then gently pulling the clip. Lift the front face from the bottom and detach it from the display. Simply flip the numbers until you reach your desired price, and then carefully reinstall the front face by securing it one clip at a time. Now, in order to interchange the description on the Digi8, simply slide out the paper, flip it around, and then slide it back in. To install your display, simply place it on a shelf or on the fridge, and then simply add some weight on the back of the display to keep it secure. When putting on the weight, you will notice that there are hooks at the back of the unit. These hooks help to hold the weight in place. Simply slide the weight back slightly to hook in properly. Now that the unit is secured, even when it is bumped, it will not move out of place until the weight is properly unhooked and then removed. When you need to swap out the prints or to change your promotion, simply loosen the thumb screw slightly. Then either flip the promotion over or simply slide out the current print and then replace it with the new one that is underneath. And then reattach the bottom screws and reattach the top screws and tighten all of them. And there you go. It's that easy.